Da fuck are you doing, Toolbox?
Am making a car, dumbass.
It looks like shit to me.
Wanna fight me, butthole?
You forgot to anchor the ball thingy.
Oh shit.
I don't trust you anymore, Toolbox. Da fuck, Toolbox.
I'm hungry.
Build a burger, fat ass.
Great idea, John Doe.
Nom 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 nom.
Happy now, Toolbox?
Yes,
We should be going now.
we could use my car.
Which one, fat ass?
Why did we choose this car?
Because it isn't fat as you.
Shut up, I could crash this car anytime soon.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What year is this?
2006, dumbass.
Da fuck, Toolbox.